Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food from my home to yours. So stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Hey guys, I got something very special for you guys. I don't know if you had it before, but I had it a long time ago and I found it was quite interesting. Okay, today I'm going to be making you guys a Cajun shrimp Pappardelle with Bertolli Vodka sauce. That's what we're going to be making today for you guys. And I'm going to show you some of the ingredients that you're going to be needing. Alright, you're going to need some olive oil. You're going to need some Tony CREOLE seasoning. You're going to need the Bertolli Vodka sauce right here. You're going to need some Parmesan cheese. This is Parmesan Romano right here. Here's some garlic. I got half a bag of spinach. I have some shrimps right here. And we're going to jump right into this, guys. If I add anything else as we go, I'll let you know. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Alright, now the first thing you want to do is dry these shrimps. I just washed them off real good. I'm trying to dry them a little bit. It's going to be good as it's going to get till your boy is hungry. Alright, that's it right there. So you want to take some oil, which I don't think I have. Oh, I have plenty on that. Okay. This so our seasoning can stick on there. Alright. I'm going to go in here with some of this garlic. We're going to use a tablespoon, teaspoon. Let's go with teaspoon. Don't have too garlic. I love garlic. Garlic is very good for you. We're going to go with a teaspoon of this, which is the Tony. Like that. You can get in there with your hands, mix it up. Then I'm going to put some of this parsley in it. Just give it a little color. It's optional, you don't have to use it. Okay. Now if you want to taste super delicious, you can do this like an hour in advance. Let it marinate. That's that right there. Wash my hands off. Now, if you want it spicier, you can get you some cayenne pepper and all that stuff. You can use some black pepper if you want to. If you got white pepper, you can use that. I'll go ahead and use some black pepper. So we're just going to put a crumb of that in there, like a quarter. That's it. We don't want it too spicy. Because you got the spices in there from the Cajun. Okay? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take this over there, show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Got some butter. So I'm going to put some of this olive oil in there first. I'm going to put like 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Then I'm going to put like a teaspoon of this butter in there. Just like that. Alright. Then we'll take our shrimps. Like throw those in there. Well, some of y'all probably like, well, why you just pour the whole thing in there? No, you don't want to do that. When you do that, you may have excess water in there, and you're not trying to do that, period. You don't want to do that. It'll mess up your shrimp. But we're trying to sear these too, right? So my eye was down. I'm turning to back on 4. This is an electric stove. so that you guys know. You guys, if you don't mind, because it's about you guys, really. Let me know what you guys want to see me cook. I mean, I got other recipes, don't get me wrong, that I just can come up with on top of my head. But I'm just curious of what you guys like to eat or see me try to make. Alright, there's that piece right here. So, keep that in mind. So we're just going to turn this up some more, like on medium. We're going to cook these like, I want to say 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes on each side. And we're going to call that one. But we're not done. We got this water finna boil over here. Let me see where my salt at. Got some sea salt. Now, what I'm going to do, kind of mix this around up in here. I really get coated pretty good, so I'm not worried about it. Alright, I'm going to take that sauce. Just like that. You know me, I'm going to turn this down to simmer. Quick stir. That smells good. Alright. Now while this doing this thing right here, what we're gonna do is take our spinach. Alright. So just mess with it, it'll break down, trust me. But we're not done. So the water is boiling now. We're going to take us some of this pasta. Drop those in there in the pot. Those are about 6. That should be enough. Maybe one more. All right. We'll start breaking down. Turn this up so that can go pretty quick. Alright, just gonna let this go ahead and cook down. When this pasta get done, I'll show you what we'll be doing in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. All I'm finna do is drain this and rinse these noodles. I'm done with that. Down. Take these noodles, just bring it in here. And let me see how much. That should be perfect. Because the noodles gonna soak up some of this sauce, and we don't want it to be too dry. Okay, guys. this point right here, you take you some of this Parmesan, some of that in there. We will put some on the top of it. So I'm estimating probably like 2 tablespoons. Okay, we'll go ahead and set this up and I'll show you what we got. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm done with this. This is the how to make Cajun shrimp Pappardelle with Bertolli Vodka sauce. From my home to yours. And guys, please try this dish. It's off the chain. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Please hit on that bell so I can know who you are, so you too can be notified anytime I upload another recipe. I thank you guys very much for tuning in to Veldogg's Kitchen, and I'll see you guys next time with another recipe in a minute.